Make sure there are no metal objects in the microwave before starting. Each button on the top of the microwave is for a different amount of time. The first button is for 10 seconds, the second button is for 20 seconds, and the third is for 30 seconds. Once the timer hits 0, the microwave will beep, indicating the food is done. This is a restaurant standard microwave, so it cooks items faster. It does not require as much time to heat up food as a home microwave. Be sure not to leave plastic in the microwave for too long because it can melt. Do not stare into the microwave while you wait. It releases radiation, which can result in health problems over time.